So in this video I'm going to show you how to work with FGF, the framework that I'm building. Here at my website is the main page for the framework. You can see the server status. If I take the server offline, because it is a personal server, I usually put a message up here letting you know the reason and for how long and when I took it off. So as you can see, it's online. So the most important section of this page for you, a developer, is this section, the source code section. As you can see here, I have the URL to the SVN, and it is completely open. You can log in as a guest. So if I go ahead and open this in a new tab, you can see here that it doesn't like my certificate, but we don't really care. So you just put in a guest with no password, and you can browse the repository. But that really doesn't do us any good as a developer because you don't want to sit here copying all the code. So before this video I installed Tortoise SVN. You can just get that from searching on Google. It's a great application or great plugin. I don't know what you want to call it. Anyways, I'm going to create a folder. Just going to call it FGF. And then we're going to do a SVN checkout. So as you can see here, the URL is already there because it's the last thing I checked out. And the checkout directory is the directory we want everything to go into. You can check out a specific revision if you're working on something very specific, or for instance, if you're looking into a bug or something in the source code, you might want to check out a specific revision. But for now, the head revision, the latest revision, will work. So you just hit OK, and you let it do its thing, which takes a while, unfortunately. Got lots of stuff there. And when it's done, it gives you the revision that it's at, and you hit OK. And here you are, you got your source code. And if you open it up, if you're working with Express versions of Visual Studio, you might not be able to open it. You might have to manually recreate the solution file, just because, as you'll see in a second, I have a lot of solution folders which unfortunately are not a part of the Express IDE. I don't know why they did that, but it's how they did it. So as you can see here, all the source code is there. So if I just go ahead and build the solution, this also takes a gigantic amount of time, as demonstrated now. 21 projects. Awesome, right? So back in the trunk, this bin has now been created. And I just went into, sorry, did that kind of fast. In the bin directory, you have your platforms, x86, Xbox 360, and Zune. And then you have your release or debug, and right now we're working with debug. Obviously, x86 has a few more because Vodka is Windows only. There are also some libraries that are not on the Zune right now. So if we go back into the Visual Studio, you can see here that we have a couple tests. And if you have NUnit, you should probably also get ReSharper. Although ReSharper costs money. You can do some unit tests here. For instance, one of my basic unit tests for the UI just lets you test some things out. Let's run another one. For instance, let's do this. Wow, that is annoying. Yes, it is annoying. This one should be good. Yeah, there you go. A box loaded through the asset manager. Hooray! So that is how you work with FGF.